Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a case for your iPhone XR. Comes to us from Speck. This is the Presidio Grip for your iPhone XR. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. I'm definitely liking the colorway of it. It'll probably match a little bit better with the white iPhone or the blue one, but just the whole design of it is pretty dope. You do got the extra grip on the side, which is always a plus. A nice hard shell. It's a little bit, it's not as strong as the other ones for some reason, but it's definitely sturdy. So I am definitely liking it so far. Now let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like on the phone itself. Now it's probably not going to look that great with the red one, like I was saying earlier, but it definitely will do the job. If you do have the black one, and I know they probably have a red one too as well, but just the whole design of it is pretty dope. It's definitely color clashing, so I'm definitely not feeling that, but the logo for Speck is right up there up top. Alright, so here's a lip basket for the front. Definitely get a whole bunch, which I really like about Speck cases. Taking one more good look at this in the front. Definitely on point with that. Now, as far as the grip, this is the reason why I like these cases. It's because of the grip and the protection that it brings, because it just like feels premium. But the fact that just this colorway, I'm definitely not feeling. Big shout out to Speck though. The power and standby key is on point. Volume up and down is clicky as well. Access to the mute and toggle switch is pretty good as well. So if you guys do have a red XR, probably get the black one, or I will have a link down below if they do have any other colors. But for this colorway, this is almost like the Yankees / cowboy colorway, but I'm definitely feeling the case itself. It does protect. It's just color clashing, which is kind of bothering me, but it's definitely a great case. I've had this case for all my phones, and I could definitely recommend it. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone XR and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.